Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing gear and framing that create bokeh, pick a fast lens, and set a wide aperture, because shallow depth of field is the core. Once set, move your subject several meters away from the background and step closer with the camera to tighten the plane of focus. Make sure to select a longer focal length when possible to compress background elements. These first steps change how light blurs behind your subject, so act now and confirm exposure as you open the aperture. Next, you refine focus and sculpt the background blur. Switch to single-point autofocus or manual focus to lock exclusively on the eyes or chosen detail, since bokeh demands exact focus. Then arrange the background. Add string lights, street lights, or reflective surfaces to create attractive, soft highlights. Larger distance increases circular blur. Make sure to balance exposure by lowering ISO and compensating shutter speed because wide apertures admit more light. Once done, check motion and depth across a few test takes. Finish by dialing in stabilization, filters, and composition. Add an ND filter when shooting wide open outdoors so you keep f/1. 8 without overexposure, and use a tripod or faster shutter if camera motion appears. If bokeh looks harsh or distracting, change background elements, increase separation, or stop down 1/3 to regain shape. One key troubleshooting tip: if focus hunts, switch to manual focus and micromap on a test frame. That quickly resolves the majority of blurry subject problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.